How many books is the minimum requirement for a lottery campaign to be a lottery campaign? Is it one book? No, that would just be called an ad campaign. This only works if you have multiple books. There's not real minimum, but I would say minimum of 5 books, right? A minimum of 5, probably closer to 10, but definitely not 2 or 3. It's just not going to work the way that it's designed to. You have to have, a decent number of books in there. Now, what's the maximum number of books? There is no maximum. You can just put as many books in there. As I publish new books, what do? I simply just add them to the general lottery campaign. So we published a couple more books over the last 2-3 weeks here, and we added them to the lottery campaigns. And you'll also notice here on my screen, right? We have lottery campaigns running. United States, Netherlands, Italy, United Kingdom, Austria, Canada, or Australia. Austria, United States. We did have other countries, but those other countries, like I had Germany for one, I had Spain, I just turned off a few days ago, and they were just not converting very well at all. The ACOS was just running high, and we weren't getting the same type of results. So I'd rather, wherever I'm spending my money, I want to maximize the ROI on those ad dollars. So I'm simply just not going to run lottery campaigns in those countries. I'd rather just focus on the ones that are easier to print money on. I'm not saying that's going to be the same for you. What I am saying is you should test it in all the markets and then see what happens. Now, those of you who are just starting off, only test it in the English markets for right now. UK, US, Canada, Australia, just test it in those 4 because they are the biggest and they will give you the most data and the biggest ROI for your money when you're brand new.